Welcome everyone. I'm going to show you how to make a jumbo card on 8.5 by 14 paper that you can print from home. The supplies you're going to need are the super glue, the gel kind, some adhesive spray, your treat boxes, which I got from Walmart, and also a jumbo foam board from the Dollar Tree. All right, I went ahead and printed out my pictures, which I created in Canva. Printed it right at home on the 8.5 by 14 paper. Again, your treat boxes, they're about a 6.5 to 7 in size. It don't tell you on the package, but it measures about a 6.5 to 7. All right, you're also going to have to trim around the edge of the package of the treat box just to get it to glue down good, because it kind of sticks out a little bit. So you gotta just trim the little edges off to get it to glue good. All right, I got that trimmed up pretty good, and I am going to go ahead and get the board prepared so that I can tack the picture down. I'm going to use the adhesive spray. I have two kinds here. I have the Elmer's kind and the general all-purpose kind. I'm just going to use the general all-purpose kind for now, but they both work the same. All right, just going to give me some protective paper down here. You could use some newspaper or something. I think I use some butcher paper, so that's fine. Just get that down so I can protect the table while I'm spraying this. Now keep in mind, you want to have your doors open or windows open or something when you do this, or a fan on. You don't want to be in a closed-in area when spraying this stuff, because it do have a smell. You shouldn't inhale it, so keep that in mind. I'm going to lightly spray the back of the picture and the poster board. It may look like I'm spraying a lot, but I'm really not. Just lightly spraying it on there. And you could probably do either or. I just decided to do both. Again, this is my first time doing this project, so I wasn't sure, but you can do either or. And just lay it down smoothly. Now, this paper did just come out the printer, so my hand kind of smeared the ink a little, but it wasn't too bad. You can't tell on the picture, so I just used my braille to get that to go across smooth, and it worked pretty well. Didn't get on my braille or anything, so yep, just smooth that on there pretty good, and prepare to trim and cut your board up. Now I'm going to use my X-Acto knife to cut the board. You want to make sure your blade is sharp when cutting your board so you can get the nice smooth edges. Also, I'm going to use my ruler. Make sure that it's lined up pretty good when I go to cut. What I like about this foam board is when using this 8.5 by 14 size, you can actually get 4 of these on one board. So this project is really not expensive at all. Because if you can print it from home, it works out perfect. Like I said, you can get 4 on one board. All right, and then you can just fill it with the treats. I'm not going to fill mine right now because I'm not ready to glue it down just yet. Not really sure what treats I'm going to put in there, but as you see, it do fit on there perfectly. Looks pretty good. I love it. And here is the second one that I did. I'm just going to prepare that. Spray the back of it with the adhesive spray and spray my foam board a little as well. I was really careful with this one. This one did not smear on me at all. Again, just use your brayer to straighten that out and get that on there nice and smooth. All right, and again, it came out really simple, easy. Absolutely love it. Inexpensive, as long as you can print it from home. The treat boxes fit right on there. You can just fill those with whatever treats you decide to put in. And you can make this for any occasion, Valentine's, birthdays, holidays, anything. It's absolutely, I love them. All right. Again, I'm not going to glue them on there yet because I haven't really decided what treats I want to put in there and how I'm going to put them in there. But again, you could fill them and glue it on there. I'm going to use the gel super glue, see how that works. If not, you can also staple them down